This is Saab's concept for a supersonic, stealthy Loyal Wingman drone. Saab is working on a supersonic, stealthy Loyal Wingman type drone concept. The program has been running for some time as a company-funded effort but has gone largely unnoticed until recently. Ultimately, however, the appearance of such a drone concept is entirely in keeping with the company's status as one of Europe's active developers of uncrewed systems and could be indicative of what Saab offers its customers in the future. Photos of the concept drone, developed under Saab's Future Combat Air System, FCAS, program, have recently been doing the rounds on social media. At this point, it's worth noting that the FCAS nomenclature is used by rival British and pan-European future air combat initiatives, each with a crewed fighter at its heart. Further confusing matters, Saab had previously been cooperating with the United Kingdom on its FCAS program, about which more later. The most intriguing photos show wind tunnel tests of a scale model for the Saab Loyal Wingman drone, which took place in December 2021.